Welcome to Learning Hub. Do you know about a migrate? Whales swim across the ocean, a great celebration. Some whales travel far and wide, 16,000 miles side by side. From cold seas to warm sun rays, they swim for months through ocean bays. From Arctic chills to tropical blue, whales know just what to do. They feed up north and breed down south, following paths through the ocean's mouth. Whales migrate through the deep blue sea, the longest journey there can be. Cold to warm, they swim with grace, traveling nature's greatest race. With calves born in warmer seas, mothers guide them with such ease. Together, they swim through waves so high, beneath the moon and open sky. Whales migrate through the deep blue sea, the longest journey there can be. Cold to warm, they swim with grace, traveling nature's greatest race. With calves born in warmer seas, mothers guide them with such ease. Together, they swim through waves so high, beneath the moon and open sky. From icy waters, they take their flight to warmer shores under soft moonlight. Their epic voyage year by year is a wonder that all can hear. So when you think a whale so grand, remember their journey across the land. From cold to warm, they make their way in the ocean's arms where they play. Whale migration.